Hello and welcome to this course on Python programming. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course. My name is Harry and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. Over the past few years, I've taught millions of students how to code, and I'm thrilled to teach you all those techniques that took me years to learn with the help of this course. In this video, we are going to discuss what exactly is a programming language and why do we care about learning Python. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro. So programming language is a way to communicate with computers, just like we use languages like English, Hindi, Spanish and Japanese to communicate with fellow humans. To computers, we speak the language they understand, and the language they understand are called programming languages. Just like there are some rules defined in different languages like Spanish, Japanese, there are some rules that needs to be followed if you want to communicate with the computer. These rules are collectively called syntax. So if you want to use a programming language, you must follow its syntax. Syntax is like grammar of that programming language, and you need to follow all the rules precisely. Otherwise, the computer is going to complain and it is going to throw something called error. We'll see all these step by step in this course, but for now, we need to understand that in order to write a programming language and make computers understand the instructions that we want to provide them, we need to follow specific rules called syntax. So what exactly is programming? It's solving problem through code and turning ideas into actionable instructions. Now, what is Python? Python is one of the programming languages that we are going to use, and it is a very popular programming language of choice. From beginners, intermediates to advanced developers, everybody is choosing Python because it's a very convenient programming language and its rules are very simple. Once you learn this programming language, you are going to enjoy it because it's really easy to write code in Python. It's a high-level interpreted language known for its simplicity and readability. It's the most popular language of choice for data scientists and people pursuing their career in AI and machine learning. So if you have chosen Python as your first programming language as a beginner, congratulations. We are going to cover everything in this course. I'm really very excited. Let's move on towards the next video where we'll install Python and we'll also install another piece of software called IDE. See you in the next video.